And I would like to thank you sa crafter ko ng Luffy ko, Elbap Luffy ko. Kita naman nyo guys yung helmet ko and yung axe ko. And thank you Frankie. That's Frankie name. Hello! Binabati ko nga pala ang Just In Case Movements, Philippine cosplayer. Hello! From Luffy nga pala, Elbap Luffy. Here you go guys.